So to use your 2-ounce applicator bottle, which is all you need for the at-home or in-salon MYWater experience, you simply start by holding the hair down and allowing the MYWater to fully saturate each subsection of the hair. And allow gravity to bring the water down to the lower strands. Then you come to the middle to get the front hairs and you just pour and then rub. Pour and then rub. This is called emulsifying, which just only helps to spread the MYWater over hairs that it may be missing in this application process. She has long hair, so I'm now going to pick up her ends and begin the flow in the mid shaft so that I can also get her ends as well. Which you will now begin to see the MYWater run to the ends. And you collect the ends and squish, 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 squish. And then rub. And the more you rub, again, the more hairs that you are able to saturate. And then lift up. With high density clients or individuals, you also want to get the middle of the head and allow the MYWater to run down to the nape area. You just gotta wait for it, and eventually here it comes, and then rub the nape hairs. And then squish the rest into the end. We still have some MYWater left in the bottle, so I've pretty much fully saturated a very long-haired, high-density, textured-haired woman with only 2 ounces or less.